What's an email suppression list? What does it include, and how does it impact your deliverability? Keep watching to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Email suppression list is a tool businesses use to avoid sending emails to certain email addresses. This helps to comply with the Can-Spam Act, a law that requires senders of commercial emails to provide an unsubscribe option. Most email sending services populate suppression lists automatically, but also have manual management options. An email address ends up on the list when the receiver unsubscribes from your emails, reports them as spam, or your emails aren't being delivered for different reasons, such as the receiving server being down, the receiver's email address not existing, etc. Suppression lists are important for more than just Can-Spam compliance. They help you avoid sending emails to people who have already opted out. In return, this reduces the chances of being marked as spam, improves the sender's reputation, and increases overall email deliverability. But how can you minimize the number of emails in your suppression list in the first place? Keep reviewing your stats and make appropriate decisions. For example, if emails are mainly reported as spam, it may be because the content does not align with the audience's interests. So take time to understand your audience, personalize your content, and validate your email list. That's a wrap on email suppression lists. Thank you for tuning in. This was provided to you by Mailtrap email delivery platform. Test, send, control with Mailtrap. If you found this video useful, do like and subscribe. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!